Hey there, Excel explorers. Welcome to a super cool journey into dates and timestamps in Excel. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of putting dates and times correctly. Let's start with dates. Did you know Excel is like a date wizard? You can type dates in different ways and Excel understands them all. For example, you can write 8, 16, 23 or 16 August. Excel gets it. You can even use shortcuts like 8/16. Excel will get it and convert it to date. But wait, there is more magic. See that tiny square where you can drag it. Excel make line of dates like magic. For example, see. It will autofill it according to your first date. Entering current date and time in Excel is too much easy. Just select to cell where you want to place current date and time. Type is equal to now, small bracket start, small bracket close, and press enter. Like this. You can add current date and time by using this. But here we have an issue. Every time I close this sheet and open again, it will show me the current time which is actually at that time. So it is not beneficial in this. For example, I am adding it like their shipment and I want time which is actually when data is entered. If I use this formula at there, now, sorry, now every time I add enter data, it will change itself according to present date and time. But I don't want this. I want accurate time when entry is made. I don't want to update it frequently. Like every time I made some entry, it will update it. You can do this by using a simple formula. Now, for example, I entered name and entry date or time. Basically, I want to do, if I enter name, it will show you the exact time at which entry made. And it will be not keep updating if Excel sheet open and close. I just use a simple formula. Just select your cell where you want date and time. Go to your formula bar is equal to if parenthesis start where you want going to make entry, just select that cell. For example, I'm making in that cell. I select it as reference. If C10 is not equal to empty, these two semicolons are used for empty. Sorry, that's not colons, quotation marks. Now, comma, again if parenthesis start. We also place a cell address of that cell where we want date and time. We want date and time in D10, so I will place D10, which is my required output. Now is not equal to also empty. These quotation marks are used for empty. Again, comma D10, comma use command of now parenthesis start parenthesis close formula parenthesis closed, comma if all conditions are not fulfilled, then state as empty and parenthesis close. Like for example, if I made some entry at there, you also face this issue. Don't worry about it. Just go to file, options, formulas, make sure it is checked and change it to 1. Press OK. Now it's showing a date, but it's a format change, so we can change its format Going to custom, I want in month, date, year. You can use according to your requirement. So I will use this like this. Now you can drag down it. Every time I made entry, it will show you the exact time entry is made, and it will be not auto updated to current date and time every time you open or close file. You can blend date and time to make your special time stamps. So that's the scoop, time travelers. Date and times in Excel are easy peasy with these tricks. And guess what? Excel got your back always. If you are ready to amaze with Excel, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more simple Excel adventures. Until then, keep shining and rocking Excel.